Today on World Famous Foods, scrambled egg and sausage. Let's cook. Alright, so we have some deer sausage we're going to be using today. Let's just chop this up. Of course, this was caught by my good friend Dave. Okay, so we have our 3 eggs. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. Mix this up. So we got a hot pan. We're going to add some avocado oil. Some butter. And our sausage. I'm gonna fry these for a couple of minutes. Alright, so we turn our sausage. Now it's time to add our eggs. This is scrambled now, so we're going to scramble this up in a second. Okay. So you guys can scramble these how you want, depending you want them nice and soft, you want a little bit hard. I'd rather mine to be a little bit harder, you know. On mine, I know the eggs are cooked properly. Just like that, folks. Look at that. Again, thank you, Dave, for donating the specimen that we're going to indulge in here in a couple of minutes. Okay, folks, there you have it. Our scrambled eggs and deer sausage, or I guess you would say scrambled eggs and venison.